How to access age-restricted Discord servers on iOS or iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you in this very quick video. I'm currently in the Discord app. Now, personally, I cannot change this setting directly within the Discord app, because if I go to privacy and safety, the option simply isn't there. So, in order to access age-restricted servers on your iOS device, you need to use your browser. First, open your browser and search for Discord. You will see discord.com, but that's not the one you want to open. Scroll down a bit until you see discordapp.com. That's the one you need to click. Once it loads, you will probably need to log in the first time you access this site. After logging in, open the settings, then go to Privacy and Safety. Here you will see an option that says Allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. It also mentions that after joining through a desktop view, you will be able to access servers for people 18 plus on iOS devices. Simply enable that option. Now, when you go back to the Discord app, you will be able to access age-restricted servers and do whatever you want. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.